Today I'm going to show you how to use your Amazon gift card to purchase a Google Play gift card. This is a clever way to convert your Amazon balance into Google Play credit, which you can then use for apps, games, movies, and more on the Google Play Store. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that has your gift card balance available. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type Google Play gift card, then press enter. This will bring up all the available Google Play gift card options that Amazon offers. From the search results, you'll see various denominations of Google Play gift cards. Select the amount you want to purchase by clicking on it. This will take you to the product page where you can customize your purchase. On the product page, you'll notice two main options for delivery: e-gift card or physical gift card. Choose whichever format works best for you. If you need the code immediately, the e-gift card is the faster option. If you've chosen the e-gift card option, you'll need to select the amount from the preset options available. Take a moment to pick the denomination that fits your needs. Next, you'll want to select your design. Amazon offers various designs to personalize your gift card, so browse through and pick one that appeals to you. Now you'll need to decide how you want to deliver this gift card. You can choose between email or text message. If you select email, click on email and then enter the recipient email address. If you're buying this for yourself, simply use your own email address. After that, choose the delivery date by clicking the calendar picker and selecting your preferred date. This is helpful if you want to schedule the gift card to arrive at a specific time. Once you've configured all these options, look over to the right panel and click Buy Now. This will take you to the payment page where you can finalize your purchase. On the payment page, you'll see various payment options. Look for the option to pay with your Amazon gift card balance if it's available. Select this payment method to use your existing Amazon credit for this purchase. After confirming your payment method, click Place Your Order or complete the checkout process. Within a few moments, you'll receive the Google Play code either via email or text message, depending on what you selected earlier. Now it's time to redeem your Google Play code. Open a new tab in your browser and go to play.google.com/redeem. This is Google's official redemption page. On the redemption page, you'll see a field where you can enter your code. Type the code exactly as shown in the email or text message you received. Make sure to enter it carefully, as these codes are case-sensitive and must match precisely. Finally, click Redeem. The credit will be added to your Google Play account immediately, and you can start using it right away for purchases in the Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Amazon gift card into Google Play credit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.